Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time, yes. Binary time. This one will be 7879. Before I start, I always count the printed digits, 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest out once. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. If I place the 4th 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Then, yeah, we have here 3 ones. Well, no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Okay. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one without comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.